What's going on, guys? Jaxx the Bearded Hiker here. Beef and broccoli in your Instant Pot. Let's throw it down. First thing going in, soy sauce. We got 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Next up, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup of honey. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And we're gonna whisk. And for you pepper heads out there, we're gonna go ahead and throw in a pinch of red pepper flakes. And again, that would be optional. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 tablespoons and we're gonna remove it. Just kind of set it aside because we're gonna use that to make us a slurry. So go ahead and set your Instant Pot to the saute setting. And what I like to do is, before I add my oil in here, I like to let my Instant Pot heat up and then I'll add my oil. I just do that because it's less chance of stickage. So it'll take about 2 or 3 minutes and then we'll add our oil. Pot's heated up. We're gonna go ahead and add us just a tad bit of grapeseed oil, followed by 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. And I'm going to take my handy dandy little spurtle here. Love this thing. I'll leave a link in the description on Amazon. But we're just going to saute this up for about 1 minute. All right, we've been going about a minute. Go ahead and shut down your pot. Just turn it off. And we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. Okay, this may steam up a little bit, but we're adding 1 cup of beef broth in here. All right, next going in is our soy sauce mixture. Remember, we withheld 2 tablespoons out of this. So next up, guys, here we go. All right, I'm going to be adding in some thinly sliced stir fry meat here, okay? I'm adding about 1.5 pounds of this. Now, you don't have to use stir fry meat. You can use flat meat. You could use flank steak. You could use bottom round, top round. Just whatever it is you use, make sure it's a fairly lean cut of meat. You don't want to use something fatty like chuck or something like that. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and keep adding all of our meat in here, and then we'll give it a little stir about. Now, also, you can see this is defrosted meat, but you could add frozen meat in here and you'd be perfectly fine. Now that we got our meat in here, let's go ahead and just give it a little bit stir. Just make sure this meat's not touching and whatnot. We'll make sure it gets down in here and gets saturated in that. Okay. All right. So before we move any further, I just want to show, I did say we're having beef and broccoli, and the broccoli's right here, but we're going to wait on that, okay? Because we don't want our broccoli to turn to mush. So just put this aside for now. All right, next up, guys, this is optional, but I like to do this. I'm gonna be cooking rice in here at the same time. So I just put me a little trivet down there. I'll leave links to all this stuff in the description as well. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my rice in there, just like that. And I got about 2 cups of rice in here. And I'm gonna add, rice is pretty easy. Just 2 cups of rice, then you go 2 cups of water. And go ahead and add that in there like so. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add in about 1 teaspoon of salt. That's Himalayan pink salt. That's why it's pink like that. All right, and we're just going to give this a little bit of a stir to stir in that salt. All right, guys, now what you can do is put the lid on it. We're going to set our pressure to high, and we're going to pressure this for 10 minutes, and we're going to have a quick release on it. Now, don't buy into all of that rigmarole that people try to tell you to never quick release meat, okay? You can quick release meat. If ever meat comes out tough, that just means you didn't cook it long enough, all right? All right, so now while we're coming up to pressure, I've already pre-cut my broccoli, but you're going to need about 2 to 3 cups of broccoli, florets, about that size right there. You could go ahead and start cutting up that, and we'll see you back after we release the pressure on it. Just want to show you how I am quick releasing. All right, guys, I just took the lid off. I'm gonna let this steam settle down so it doesn't fog up the lens real quick. So I'll be right back with you. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my rice here and our little trivet. You see we're not bubbling anymore, waiting for that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my pressure cooker back to saute for a minute. Want to get it bubbling again. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add in our broccoli. Remember, that was about 3 to 4 cups. Again, remember when I told you about our cornstarch and our reserve 2 tablespoons of our little liquid there? We're going to go ahead and add our 2 tablespoons of cornstarch there to it and whisk that about. Like so. See, we got our bubbles back. We're going to go ahead and mix this up good, and then once it gets mixed up, we're going to add it to our mix here. All right, we're going to go ahead and add that in on top. Take our spurtle and go ahead and start mixing everything around. Remember, our broccoli is cooking now. And we did this because we didn't want it, if we would have put that broccoli in here to begin with, it would be nothing but mush. So we're just gonna stir it around, get everything mixed up. All right, still going, guys. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit cancel. And we're just going to keep stirring it until the bubbles go away, and then we'll be ready to serve. All right, we're thickening up there. I just wanted to show you guys how good, perfect this rice comes out. Look, this is almost better than my rice cooker. I mean, look how fluffy that is. Cooked perfect. All right, let's plate this up. All right, so let's see how we did. That is too legit to quit. All right, guys. Hey, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber already. Like the video and share the Instant Pot love with everybody else if you like this meal so everybody else can experience this. All right, guys. Beef and broccoli in the Instant Pot with the rice all in one pot. Do it.